Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to control your ATEM via Max. So it's an extremely cool device, and I want to give it that Max flair, that ability to randomize, to synchronize, to sequence, and all of that using Max. So we're going to control the ATEM using Max via an application called Companion. Now, Companion is a third-party piece of software for the Elgato Stream Deck. However, you don't need a Stream Deck in order to get this to work. So what you're going to do, you're going to download Companion, which is in the description. Once you have that installed and opened, you should have a Companion icon in your menu bar, or if you're on PC, in your taskbar, and you're going to click Launch GUI. That'll open up this page, and now you won't have anything here, but now what you have to do is you're going to go to Add Connection, and you're going to look up ATEM. And here's your Blackmagic ATEM. You're going to click Add. You're going to add your IP, and it should automatically detect it. I will say you will need to connect your ATEM via Ethernet. Companion does not support control of your ATEM via USB, so just keep that in mind. And then now you're going to click on the Buttons tab. Once you're there, you should have a screen like this. What you're going to do is you're going to delete. You're going to click delete, click the three buttons already available. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the upper right hand button, click on regular button, call it Cam1 because this is the button that's going to trigger switching between or switch to Cam1, and then go to press actions, and you're going to type in ATEM, and then you'll have ATEM set program input, and make sure that's on camera 1. What you're going to do now is you're just going to copy, click on Cam1, and then click on the space to the right, and you're going to do that however many times you want. So now I'm going to click on the second Cam1, change that title to Cam2, and I'm going to change the input to camera 2. Now I'm going to click on Cam1, or the third Cam1, switch that to camera 3, and change the title to camera 3. How can Max control this? A feature of Companion is that you can activate any button over OSC using this structure. Press, bank, and then your page number and your button number. So in Max, go ahead and open up a new Max window. You can use the object UDP send, and you're going to give it the arguments localhost, and give it a port number, the port number 12312. UDP send is the object used to send OSC data. Localhost refers to this computer you're on. You can also use OSC to communicate with devices over the network. And then this is your port number, and which is defined by Companion as 12321. So now I can send the message /press /bank /page 1 /button 1. When I lock the patcher and click this, I switch to Cam 2. Isn't that fantastic? And of course it works for all three, so I'm just going to copy and paste this a couple times. Within Max, I can change what view I'm looking at on the ATEM. Let's give it that next step. The reason why you want to do this in Max over any other program is so we can have randomization, automation, all sorts of special things that sets Max apart from other programs. I guess simply we can do a random 3. I'm going to create a select object, cell 0, 1, 2, hook the random object up to that, and then connect the messages like so. So now every time I click this button, I am going to switch my view. So again, not very interesting, but what I can do is I can do Metro 100, and I'm going to give it the attribute at active 1, so it's always on. So now when I plug this in, every 1/10 of a second, it's going to switch the view, which is something that's not possible to do with a physical ATEM. You can't press the buttons that fast. So let's hook it up and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Of course, it's going to activate every 10th of a second, but if you're sequencing other things within Max, other music, sounds, video, whatever, you can synchronize that to switching videos. So I found this was a really cool way to connect Max with an ATEM and also with a bunch of other programs. And you do that via Companion. So I hope this helped and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.